fans all around the world and viewers and subscribers. And the last time I made a video, and I was telling us in that video how you can harvest, how to harvest banana. I showed us, the video is already on this channel. Go there and watch it and make sure you leave a comment in the video. Now in this particular video now, I want to show you guys how you can successfully as well harvest your plantain. So it's the same process, but this one is a little bit tricky because especially if the plantain is as long as this, and here now is the disadvantage. So if you cut it just like I said, if you just cut it off like that, there's that tendency that that plantain will fall on the ground and then something like maybe it might scatter. You understand? To fall on the ground and then scatter. But just stick with me as I take you through this process on how I will be harvesting it. But this one is very long, and look at the leaves. They are almost to the roof of this kitchen here. So we are going to be very careful in this so that you self will learn. So watch and learn. Let's go. And if you are watching this video to this point, what you have to do for me is hit the subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and then share. Don't play. Live on Instagram and on YouTube. For the sake of this video, this is what we are going to be holding, the dead ones. These dead plantain leaves. Now we are going to cut it like this. Just very easy for us. Okay, let me bring the camera closer so that you guys will see. I'm just trying to be careful, you know. So let's go. We're going to be holding this. Let's go. And you understand? Chop it off this way. Don't forget, don't put it like this. So don't just cut it off. You put it very easy, slow. Something like this. And then you pull it from here. You pull it from here. Easy. Slow and steady. I'm going to be careful. Oh. Just like this. This is so risky, guys. This is so risky, guys. This is so risky, guys. I'm trying to direct this. All right. You see that? Don't play. And then the deliver. Don't play. You see the way we did it, and then you make sure you see. That way you can control the falling aspect of it. That way you can control the falling aspect of it. And make sure you always chop up this. I have so many suckers here. So you stick with me. So it is always important for you to chop it up like this. These things can serve as manure to the plantain. Yes, very big one. So let's go, guys. Make sure you stick to the end of this video and make sure you have learned something on how you can comfortably harvest your plantain without damaging the plantain. You understand? You've learned something. So what you have to do for me is give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and also share. On Instagram, hit us a follow, and on YouTube, don't play. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.